First, we need to assemble. Timber loader. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Timber loader. Look at the color of the tank cap and choose the refueling gun of the same color. Pump. Don't stop. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Amazing! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Drag a vehicle, keep up the good work. We need to assemble. Hydraulic hammer. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Hydraulic hammer. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's crack the biggest rocks. We need to wash. Hydraulic hammer. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Bulldozer. Don't stop. Filling. Bulldozer. Pump. Keep it up. We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Ready. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Excavator. Don't stop. First, we have to fill it. Excavator. Pump. We did it! Let's dig a pit. Let's wash. Excavator. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Amazing! We need to assemble. Dumper. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Dumper. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's make a sand blanket. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Ready. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop. We have to assemble. Tamper. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Tamper. Pump. Keep it up. Let's firm sand up. Now we need to wash it clean. Tamper. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park.